Preparing your home to rent. That's today's video. Preparing a home for rent is really no different than preparing a home for sale. If it's gonna bother a buyer, it's probably gonna bother a tenant as well, especially in an A-class neighborhood like this one. I'm gonna take you on a walkthrough and point out everything I reviewed with these homeowners to help them get this house ready for rent. In this front living room, we already took the blinds off, but we're gonna leave the shears and the mounts. On this wall, just a simple patch and paint. Outside of that, this room is perfect. The dining room and kitchen really don't need anything, but smoke detectors all need to be replaced. If it's hardwired, replace with a hardwire. If it is battery only, it has to be the 10-year sealed. In the living room over here, hey, it's really cold out here. If you don't hit that like button, I might freeze. Thanks. Same thing here on the first floor family room, just a simple patch and paint. Everything else in this room looks perfect. In this bathroom, everything is good in here. Laundry room, washer and dryer are staying. Everything is good in here. And garage access. We're good here. One thing I would recommend is doing some touch-up paint on this door here. Nothing crazy, but just paint the trim and paint the door. Dining room, same thing, a simple patch and paint. The curtain rods are going to stay. Top of the steps, first room to the left. Just a simple patch and paint on some of those nail holes and smoke detector replacement as well. That one obviously is a hardwire. And in the master, nothing really crazy here. Master bath. And we do have some work on this shower. On the shower, I'm going to clean up as much as we possibly can. I'm recommending CLR to get a lot of it's really just kind of soap scum and buildup. CLR has been one of the best things that I've found to get this stuff clean. Once it's clean, rain-X it, and that will prevent a lot of this stuff from coming back. I recommend doing the rain-X at least once a year, and we're going to regrout everything here in the shower. Leaving the master to the other side. We have another full bath here, dual vanity, and same thing in here. Going to regrout and deep scrub, and I would do CLR in here and grout pen on the grout lines. Bedroom number 3, patch and paint. This is where the bed was, so just need probably to paint this wall. We got some more markings over here. That wall needs to be painted as well. We could still have some more patch and paint stuff here. It's already been patched. And bedroom number 4. I think everything is good in here. Smoke detector, just double check the age of that. Down into the basement, we got some more patch and paint right there. And double check all of the light bulbs. This is making me, well, at least reminding me, but yeah, double check all of the light bulbs, make sure everything is good. Basement, the pool table is going to stay, as well as the chairs and the pool rack. We have another full bath in here. And the only thing we're doing in here, just regrout everything, recaulk everything, and just a simple patch and paint. In the 5th bedroom / workout room, we're gonna remove that covering there. Just clean this floor up real good. Outside of that, nothing to do here. The rest of the rec room, everything looks real good in here. Just some simple patch and paint again on this wall here. And another back storage room with the utilities. It is really cold out here. If you would hit that like button, it would sure warm me up. Gas water heater. I tried picking up an age on this the other day, but was not successful. But we do know it meets minimum 2013 standards, so everything's working. Gas furnace replaced in 2005. Everything's working great. Just good storage space. Under the deck is a second deck, and it does not back up to another house, which is nice. There's a couple walking paths back there. That wood pile will go away. One last thing I noticed, air vents. Go through and make sure they're all clean, but that should really come down to the when the cleaner comes through, make sure they just deep scrub everything, get the top of the fan blades and the ductwork like that. Pretty simple list of things to do. Patch and paint, re-caulk, a couple of grout spots, the shower doors, and then have a professional cleaner come through, clean out everything real good, do a deep scrub on everything, and then this thing will be ready for the market.